Want to dramatically increase your conversion rate and stand out from competitors? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add an engaging video to your Fiverr gig that captures attention and builds immediate trust with potential clients. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding a video to your gig can increase your conversion rate by up to 40%. It's one of the most powerful tools for showing your personality, demonstrating your skills, and building connection with clients before they even contact you. First, prepare your video content before uploading. Plan a 30 to 90 second video that introduces yourself, shows your work process, and highlights your unique value. You can use your smartphone, just make sure you have good lighting and clear audio. When editing your gig, find the video section. It's usually right below your gig images. Click Upload Video and select your file. Fiverr supports MP4 and MOV formats, and your video should be under 50 megabytes for optimal loading. Structure your video to answer key client questions. Start with a hook that addresses their pain point, briefly introduce yourself and your expertise, show examples of your work, and end with a clear call to action inviting them to place an order. A crucial pro tip: use your video to show rather than just tell. If you're a designer, show your design process. If you're a writer, show your research method. Visual demonstrations build much more credibility than just talking about your skills. Add engaging subtitles since many viewers watch without sound. Most video editing apps offer automatic caption features. This small addition makes your video accessible and keeps viewers engaged even in sound-off environments. And just like that, you've added your most powerful sales tool yet. A great gig video can be the deciding factor that convinces clients to choose you over competitors. If this guide helps you create a compelling video, please give it a like. What part of your work process are you most excited to show in your video? Share your ideas in the comments below. To complete your gig's visual presentation, subscribe for our next video on how to add gallery images to your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.